Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Adventure with Hammers. Today we're at the Toronto Islands in Canada for an early morning stroll on this beautiful location. Yeah, this was my only time available to see the Toronto Island, the morning before we flew home, so I had to take the earliest ferry available, 7 AM on a Thursday morning. My favourite part of the island was seeing the Toronto skyline as the fog and clouds would cover the skyscrapers, kind of like Table Mountain in South Africa. For me, that was worth the ferry ticket to the island. I'd never experienced seeing any city like this from a viewpoint island, hoping to see the sunrise, but again nothing prevailed as the clouds remained. Here we have me, travelling alone with my big winter coat, my big winter boots, on a sandy beach, looking completely lost in my surroundings. Business as usual, really. For anyone looking to go, I'd definitely recommend going in the summertime and not on a cloudy morning in the spring. Again, I won't pretend like this was the best weather for the trip, but you gotta make do with what the day brings you. Thank you very much for 50+ subscribers. Have a lovely day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.